What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys a knocking engine. First of all, when you take your engine apart, you want to check for see these damages on the piston, all these markings. Look at how serious that is right there. That is really bad. So this engine is shot, and inside the bore you want to check for all the scoring. So those marks are called scoring, and it got the same marks just like the piston has. It's long lines in there right there. You can see two of them, and there should be one solid one, but it's hard for the camera to pick up. Let's see if you can come closer and show you. But there's two. It's gotta be one more long one right there. There you go. Right now at like 9 o'clock, you can see it. Anyways, this engine was making a hell of a noise. So when you take this apart, you want to see if there's any play between the crankshaft rod and this. So you see that even a tiny bit amount of play would cause a lot of vibration noise. So here's what I want to show you guys right here. This is where I want you to pay attention. Pay attention to the rod. Doesn't have any play, but there's a play between the piston and the pin inside. So let me see if I can bring it closer so you guys can see. And there you go. It's bouncing around. Okay, it's bouncing around. See that? The other side doesn't have play. The other side does not have play. But this engine was when it's moving fast. Listen to this noise. Imagine that thing doing 30,000 RPM. So this was making a lot of noise, okay? And then the engine blew because the little pin. You know what killed this engine? This engine died because of this little pin. This little pin is what the retainer. It's a retainer for the pin in here. It came out and then it went in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. It went all over and it damaged the engine block. So I am in the process of getting all new pieces. The connecting rod, the pin, the piston, and the sleeve. Again, there's noise. Okay, so there you have it. This engine is shot. The piston is dead. It's making a lot of noise. So those are the few things you want to check out when you take your engine apart. Sometimes you want to change the bearings. You might well just do an overhaul and check out the engine, piston rods and everything. If there's any place. Okay, so also you also want to check and feel the crankshaft rod where the piston connecting rod sits at on the journal. Well, that part is called the journal, and this would be in a real engine, this would be a bearing, and that would be a journal, and that's where it connects to. So if this thing and that thing has play in it, and you couldn't even like rub your finger on like just to say like this was the journal there, and if you feel something, that could say that it's bad. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. See you guys on the next video.